look very closely in the grooves. The colour of the tile, it's vinyl or lino. That's the natural colour. It's a clean, but in the grooves, in all of the grooves. So what I've done is just spray Shyn degreaser. If you have a strong detergent, that's cool, but this is the biggest trick. The product is now sitting in all the grips and grooves, and it's lifting, it's melting through the dirt, lifting it up, ready to be taken out. Now, understand how many nooks and crannies or cracks do you think are in this tile of lino? This is the problem. So I'm just testing to begin with. It's only a test. This is not how you do this floor. I'm agitating it using a brush. Now I'm making sure the bristles are as thin as I can find, but as hard as I can find. So they can't be like a cloth type of bristle. Now, I'm pretty sure that I've agitated like every spot on that tile. Now we're going to see, I'm going to remove it with a wet microfiber cloth just to see if this is what if this is what we need to do. I assume it is, because the biggest thing is if the bristles can fit into the nook and cranny. So you can see that they are, you'll see, gone. See the difference? It's hard to see because a lino looks dirty, but it's actually not. But in all of those cracks, it is gone. Now I'm going to show you like I said, it's a really hard lino to see on camera. Now I'm going to show you what this lady's been struggling with these floors for years. Or it could be a year. I think she might have just moved in. Okay, so I've just sprayed, I think I'm spraying maybe 4 tiles. Super important that you cover the whole tile, because it's the product that's going to lift to make the grime nice and soft. Now I've put a little bit of water on the floor, just a little bit. Now using a broom, which is what I would definitely do. Now you can see I've got 2 types of brooms. I chose the one that I'm using now. Now see, I'm not bending, I'm holding it very lightly, but I'm moving it fast because I can move it fast. It's not like all I'm trying to do is agitate the holes. That's the only thing that I'm trying to do right now. But again, how many holes? Like you can't be a quick job. You have to make sure that you're agitating all of the little grooves and cracks. You just have to. You can't do anything about it. Now you would use a microfiber mop or a steam mop, not by hand. I'm just making sure that this worked with the broom. This is before. The cracks and the grooves we're looking at only. See? Gone. That's the colour. Gone. See before? It's not the tile that's dirty, it's just all the cracks. So that's what you need to do if you have vinyl or lino